The Republic of Moldova is a landlocked country located in southeast Europe. Moldova is bordered by Romania to the west and Ukraine to the north, east, and south. The capital city is Chisinau. Most of the Moldovan territory was a part of the Principality of Moldavia from the 14th century until 1812, when it was ceded to the Russian Empire by the Ottoman Empire, to which Moldavia was a tributary state, and became known as Bessarabia. The most beautiful places in Moldova are undoubtedly its monasteries. These religious sites are scattered across the country. The most famous of these is the Old Orhei Monastery. This monastery is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Moldova. The country of Moldova is home to many distinct ethnic groups. These groups have their own unique customs and traditions that make them special. The largest group in Moldova is the Moldovans, who make up about 60% of the population. Other groups include the Ukrainians, Russians, Gagauz, and Bulgarians.